Okay, this is part one of a video on how to navigate my math class, figure out what it is you need to do each day, where it is to find it, and a little bit on how to turn it in. Okay, every morning when you get up, the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your citizenship class, find the daily attendance log, and take the attendance log so that you do not get marked absent. From there, go to courses, open up your math class. Once inside the math class, you're under materials and you're going to find the folder for the week. Every week there'll be a folder. I'll try to keep it red and inside there will be the 5 days. Each of the days a different folder. If we take a look at a folder, open up the folder. Inside, you're the e-classroom group. So you're going to open up the e-classroom. And inside there are the things that you need to do that day. And it is actually color coded for a reason. The first thing for this day was IXL O.3, 5 questions only. Notice that is in blue. That means to get to there, you're going to have to go to Clever, go to IXL, 6th grade O.3. We did have a video on how to navigate IXL. The second thing to do was to check your answers on packet 4-2. Now, if I say check your answers, there will be a link down here. Right down at the bottom, there is the answers for worksheet 4-2. After you check those answers, and let's see if I can pour that up quick. There they are. The answers for 4-2. You can close that back out, and we will come back to here, and I lost my screen, so give me a second to get back to where we were. Courses, math. Sorry about that. And there we go. So we checked our answers. Next, take the order of operations quick check. This is in, notice the green, this link for this is in the green folder. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to come back to here, go to the green folder, and scroll down till you find the order of operations quick check. That is right down here. Open that. And inside there, now you get, this is where yours is not going to look like mine, but there will be a link to click and work on the order of operations quick check. So as you go navigate through your folders, what you're going to find is that this inside the folder is what I want you to do each day. Anything that has to get turned in is highlighted in green will be inside the green folder. Next, you're going to view the algebraic equations play pods. That is also in the green folder, so you would go there. Complete the note-taking guides. Now, notice they're in purple. They're in purple because they're going to be generally in Kami or a PDF at the bottom. And here are your worksheets. To complete a worksheet, you have a couple options. What I would do is, if you open this worksheet, since this is not in Kami, it might be in Kami. If I open that up, it's going to download it to your computer. From there, you can open it. However, Kami is not operating right now. So once you have it opened on your computer, you could go to Kami, which is right there in the circle, in the K, purple K, and you're going to click Open from Computer. And you'll be able to see it in your downloads folder, open it up, complete the worksheet, and then at the end, when you're done completing it, it will say Save to Drive. And you can click Save to Drive. and that will put the completed worksheet in your Google Drive. In case you want to submit it today, in case I'm asking for it to be submitted, many times I'm not going to ask for the worksheets to be submitted. I want you to do them, and then the next day or 2 days later or so, I'll say check your answers, and I will give you, like I did before, uh, I will give you a copy of the worksheet with the answers on it to check your work. Okay, so that is how you navigate the folder. Every day there'll be a folder. What you could do, and one of my suggestions, if you have a printer available, is open this up, print it, and then you have a checklist to go over what you need to do. Let's go back and take a look at this green folder again. Everything that you have to turn in for me will be inside this green folder. Right now, if you're working with me, we are all the way down to about here. There's the order of operations quick check that you should have taken already. Okay? So we're all the way down to about there already. And I'm going to continue to add stuff to this as we go. So stuff up here that's not done, you're going to need to make sure you get done and get submitted. Okay? When we take a look at what's up here, we have Moby Max assignments. For those, you're going to go to Clever, and the directions are generally there. It's right here. It says, go to Clever, open Moby Max. A window should open that says, you have assignments. Click on that window and do the exponents. When finished, take a screenshot and submit. Okay? When finished, take a screenshot and submit. When you go to submit, you're going to get a window that says upload. Hit the file button, attach your screenshot, and you can submit. Okay, I think I have a video on that already, on how to submit how to take a screenshot and submit it. Okay, if you forget to take your screenshot and you have to submit something, same window, hit submit, but instead of the uploads button, there's a create button next to it. If you hit create, you can type a message to me in there. I forgot to take a screenshot, but I had an 89 on this. And then submit that. When you submit it, I'll see it. Now I can go into Moby Max and double check your score. Okay? So these are the things that you're going to have. This is the folder. This green folder is all of the stuff that has to get done and turned in. The directions for the day will be in here. Do whatever the directions say for that day. And again, a good idea might be to print it out, and you can use it to check it off as you go. Okay? Hopefully this helps. I'm going to do another video of how to read your grade book that you can watch as well. Thank you.